Hey everybody, Chef Mark Estee here from the ZLINE kitchen. I want to talk about these three pieces of equipment right here, okay? These are called steels. This is a regular steel, this is diamond edge steel, and this is my chef knife. One of the things we like to do here is make sure that we have a nice sharp knife. This motion, bringing this down, sharpens the edge of the knife, okay? There's a little bit of grit on this one and a little less grit on this one. And by doing this, I'm straightening the edge, which gives me a nice sharp blade. A few things to know. These are called thumb guards for a reason. Be very careful. You can hit yourself with a thumb guard. There's a little bit of a dust that comes up. So I always wipe my knife when I'm done. And I'll show you that dust here. That's going right on from the knife, okay? Down the bottom, there's usually a little magnet. He holds it all together. That's how to keep a sharp knife with the steel.